Hi there guys and gals, good afternoon to each every one of you. How are you all doing? As you can see, I have here a cheeseburger meal. Once are you sure? Come on, be the first one to sip, be the first one to bite. Actually, this is not for you. I'm gonna give this to my client and at the same time my viewer on YouTube. So she take the challenge on watching my videos, and then I told her that hi. Once she keeps on viewing my videos, she have a surprise treat, which is the McDonald's cheeseburger meal. So I'm gonna surprise her, even though she already sees me upstairs. So here we are. Hi! Surprise, surprise!
Wow!
Congratulations! Ayan. Oh wow, Tash, are you sure? Guys, see that? She's watching my videos. Oh, show it, dali, show it. Ako, show it. Guys and guys, this is Kim Bot, my avid subscriber on the YouTube. Yeah, I told you.
Thank you.
So what can you say?
Hendrix.
Hendrix.
Hendrix. Thank you, Hendrix.
So what can you say about thank you? Promote your shop, by the way. Guys, she has cellphone accessories to offer to you.
Isitar H3.
H3. Ay, H3. Ay, sinabi ko nung nakaraan H11. Oh my gosh.
Oh my
Sorry,
God.
H3. It's not H11.
Harap ng fountain ha, wag yung nakalimutan.
Oo. So what can you offer?
Syempre, case, tempered, charger, one.
How about the price?
The price
Friendly
is...
price ba?
Yeah, friendly price.
How about the service?
Good.
Very good. Okay.
Yeah.
Greet your family.
Huh?
Greet your family.
Ay, ano? Shout out to my family.
Oh, your husband.
Shout out to my husband.
Pangalan?
Always sticker. Secret. Ang pangalan, secret. Kasi
Kailan kasi baka sabihin niya hindi sa'yo ano, kaya kailan pangalanan mo? Sabihin niya hindi ka.
Secret na yung pangalan.
Hindi, first name. First name lang. Hindi
Nail.
ko ano?
Nail.
Ano?
Nail.
Ah, Nail. Oh, hi Nail. Ayun.
Thank you, Hendrix.
So, keep on watching ha. Pag nag-improve ka pa sa pag-watch, magiging double cheeseburger na yan next time.
Wow.
Kaya, keep on going. Gagalingan mo. Mag-make some comments na rin para yung mga heart-heart, mga emoji. Okay? So, thank you so much for the support and for being my good payer also.
I don't forget subscribe and comment and like the videos.
Okay. Thank you so much. Once again, Kimbot of H3. Sinasabi ko na, nakakagigil H11. Mali pala ako. H3.
So, sino ba yung H11 na yun?
Kaya nga H3 pala. So, bye for now.
Bye.